I'm doing Just a Dream by Carrie Underwood. It was 8 weeks after the day she turned 18. All dressed in white, going to the church that night. She had his box of letters in the passenger seat, sixpence in a shoe, something borrowed, something blue. When the church doors opened up, watch put a veil down, trying to wipe the tears. Oh, she just couldn't believe it. She heard the trumpets from the military band, and the flowers fell out of her hand. Baby, why'd you leave me? Why'd you have to go? I was counting on forever. Now I'll never know. I can't even breathe. Yeah, God, looking from a distance, standing in the back, but everybody's saying he's not coming home now. It'll be happening to me. This is just a dream. And the preacher man said, let us bow our heads and pray. Lord, please lift his soul, heal this hurt. Then the congregation all stood up and sang the saddest song she had ever heard. Then they handed her a flag and led on to all she had left of him. Oh, what could have been? And then the guns rang, one last shot, and it felt like a bullet in her heart. Baby, why'd you leave me? Why'd you have to go? I was counting up forever, now I'll never know. I can't even breathe. It's like I'm looking from a distance, standing in the back, but everybody's saying he's not coming home now. Shouldn't be happening to me. This is just a dream. Oh, baby, why'd you leave me? Why'd you have to go? I was counting up forever. Now I'll never know. Oh, now, no. I got looking from a distance, standing in a mountain, nothing else saying he's not coming home now. It'll be happening to me. This is just a dream. Oh, this is just a dream. Yeah, just a dream. Yeah, yeah. That was my song by Carrie Underwood. It was Just a Dream. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe up top and like the video. And comment and tell me which videos else you guys want to cover and how I did on it. Bye.